In this video, we show you how to invite and join friends in GTA 5 Online. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, so if you're trying to play GTA Online with your friends, you'll first need to make sure they're added to your Rockstar friends list. Once they're added, you can either join their current session or invite them to yours in just a few clicks. So to do that, you can press escape on your keyboard to open the pause menu. If you're playing on a controller, simply press the start button, and then you want to navigate to the friends tab. And here you'll see your Rockstar friends list. Friends who are currently online will be highlighted. Just select the friend you want to play with, and after you click on them, you'll see options such as join game or send game invite. So if you want to invite them, you can select send game invite, and just like that, the invite request is sent and your friend can accept it to join your session. But if you want to join your friend's session instead, you can select join game, and then you'll get an alert that you're going to join a different GTA Online session. Just select yes, and as simple as that, you're now on your friend's session and you can play together with them. And that's how you invite and join friends in GTA Online. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.